Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens. Every beautiful space begins with a simple idea, creating an environment that makes people feel comfortable, inspired, and at peace. The places we spend time in quietly influence our emotions, our thoughts, and even the way we approach each day. A thoughtfully designed environment is more than a symbol of luxury, it is an investment in well-being, confidence, and a better quality of life. When a space is carefully planned, it encourages calmness and clarity. It reduces visual distractions, promotes organization, and creates a sense of balance that naturally lowers stress. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by daily responsibilities, people often feel more focused, refreshed, and prepared to face new challenges. A peaceful environment can transform ordinary routines into meaningful moments, making everyday life feel more enjoyable. The connection between people and their surroundings is powerful. Natural materials, harmonious textures, balanced proportions, and carefully considered details create a feeling of comfort that cannot always be explained with words. These elements work together to produce an atmosphere where relaxation feels effortless and inspiration comes naturally. The result is a space that supports both physical comfort and emotional well-being. A well-designed environment also encourages confidence and self-expression. It reflects personal taste, celebrates individuality, and provides a place where people can truly feel at home. Living in surroundings that inspire happiness often leads to improved motivation, greater creativity, and a stronger appreciation for everyday experiences. When people feel connected to their environment, they are more likely to value the time they spend there and the memories they create. Luxury is not only about expensive materials or impressive architecture. True luxury is found in comfort, timeless craftsmanship, thoughtful planning, and spaces that improve the way people live. The most memorable interiors are those that combine beauty with purpose, offering both visual elegance and practical functionality. They remind us that exceptional design should enrich our lives rather than simply impress us. As modern architecture continues to evolve, it demonstrates how innovation and nature can exist in harmony. Designers are finding creative ways to blend aesthetics with sustainability, comfort with functionality, and tradition with contemporary ideas. These advancements inspire us to rethink what is possible and encourage us to create spaces that support healthier, happier lifestyles for generations to come. Beautiful environments also have the remarkable ability to bring people together. They become places where conversations flourish, creativity grows, and unforgettable memories are made. Whether spending quiet moments alone or sharing time with loved ones, thoughtfully designed surroundings enhance every experience by making people feel welcomed, relaxed, and connected. Ultimately, the greatest value of exceptional design is not what we see, but what we feel. It has the ability to restore our energy, inspire our imagination, and remind us that the spaces around us shape the quality of our lives in meaningful ways. Choosing environments that promote comfort, beauty, and balance is a choice that continues to reward us every single day. Thank you for joining Modern Homes and Gardens. If you enjoy exploring inspiring architecture, timeless interiors, and innovative design ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys into the world of modern luxury and beautiful living.